Otumaka chicken biryani. Biryani a classique indian dish Thai often served evening en celebration. Ove, it a common dish to occasionally be made at home for dinner well. Making a chicken biryani a une key process buttons you taste the mixture of the chicken, spice, and rice, you will not all your effort totally with it. Pré-time, 5 jours, active prêt, 30 minutes. Cook time, 60 minutes. Total time, 6 jours. Ingrédients. Frié oignon. 2 medium sized oignons, chopped bar oblique sliced. 1-2 cup of oil to fried onion, sunflower oil, canola oil, or vegetable oil. Chicken marinade. 2 lbs of chicken ont bonne cuit into large par, 8 épices. 2 tbsp ginger garlic paste. 1 tbsp red chili powder. Salt, to taste, approximately 1 tsp. 1 cup yogur. 1 tsp garam masala powder. 1 tsp green cardamom powder. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1-2 tsp turmeric powder. 1 cup of frié brown onion. 4 tbsp melt ghee, clarifié buté. 1-4 cup of freshly chopped coriandre leaf, cilantro. 10-15 mint leaf, no stalk. 2-4 green chili, broken or cube. 1 tbsp lemon juice. Rice. 2 cup of basmati rice. 8 cup of water. 2 1/2 piece of cinnamon. 5-6 whole peppercorn, to taste. 5 green cardamom. 2 black cardamom. 3 cloves. 2 pieces of cinnamon. 1 bay leaf. 1 piece of mace. 1 tsp of ghee. 1-2 tsp of salt. Chapati dough. 2 cup of whole meal chapati flour. 1 cup of water. Saron mixture. 1-4 tsp saron. 2 tbsp milk. Autres ingrédients. 5-7 tbsp of ghee clarifié buté, to drizzle la topped biryani before pressure cooking. Ampule of cachet, optional. Ampule of golden raisin, optional. Rose water, optional. Deep frying at onion. Heat the oil in the pan. Star with the stove it on it to jet the oil nice en hot, quickly. Onion should sizzle when you put them in the pan with the oil. Once you saw evaporating a little bit, the oil ready for onion. Add your onion to the oil. Easy to fry onion in small portion, so for the sliced onion, you can try frying 3 batches so, 1. Reduce the flame to medium. Deep fry onions on medium heat until they turn a golden brown. This will take about 20 minutes. While they are sizzling in the oil, gently mix onion around to keep all of them coated, and to disperse the heat on all evenly. If the flame is very hot, onion will burn on tout side en remain watery on inside. Take out the onion from the pan. Use a big, perforated spoon, a spoon with oil in it for drainage, to remove the onion from the pan once they are golden brown. You want a perforated spoon to drain out excess oil. Place onions on a plate with a paper towel on it, to absorb rest of the excess oil. Put onion acid for latte. Marinating the chicken. Put the chicken in a bowl or pan. The bowl or pan need to be big enough so enough room to mix the chicken in with the marinade, and have the marinade cut the chicken completely. Keep the chicken in big piece, and on the bone. Keeping the chicken on the bone will create a stock once the chicken is been cooked, adding a nice, full flavor to the biryani. Add spice and powder to the chicken. On beyond add marinade ingredient to the chicken. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tbsp. Red chili powder, 1 tbsp. Salt, to taste, approximately 1 tsp. Yogur, 1 cup. Garam masala powder, 1 tsp. Green cardamom powder, 1 tsp. Cumin powder, 1 tsp. Turmeric, 1-2 tsp. Frié brown oignon, 1 cup. Ghee, clarifié buté, -4 tbsp. Freshly chopped coriandre leaf, cilantro, -1 4 cup. Mientlive, Nostalk, 10-15. 2-4 Green Chili, Broken Orcu. Le Manjuis, un TBSP. Mixture ingrédients. Mix alt ingrédients un tilter dispersé rougli, ante chicken pissear completely covered with te marinade mixture. 11 te chicken coated with alt spice en flavoring, let it marinade. Tria with orange of long you can let chicken marinade. You can marinade te chicken overnight to ensure te chicken absorb alt flavor, or you can marinade it for l'estime. Ove, give te chicken a minimum of 4 hours to marinade to set in. 2. Refrigérate te chicken. 11 you are finished with te marinading te chicken, cove en place te chicken in te refrigerator, envor compte par of te biryani. Preparing te rice. Soak te rice. Rince te rice with cool water to remove some of to thermost starch, antenne a le low it to continue soaking in te water. Let rice soak between 30 minutes to 1 hour. For biryani, you want to use basmati rice to give te fullest flavor to te dish. Bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Heat water you are going to cook the rice 1. Water must be boiling before you add the rice. Add the rice. Along with the rice, add the some of the ingredients to give the rice a full flavor, en prevent rice from sticking. 3. 5 green cardamom. 2 black cardamom. 3 cloves. 2 pieces of cinnamon. 1 bay leaf. 1 piece of mace. 1 tsp of ghee. 1-2 tsp of salt. Stirt added ingrédients. Stirts ingrédients to make sur te aral mixadine, anten cove tris boilit for 10 minutes or until te rice cooked half to 3/4 of the way. 11 tris cooked half to 3/4, you can take out te all ingrédients you added earlier, clove, cardamom, etc. Check the consistency of the rice. Since the rice should only be cooked half to a quarter of the way when you take it off the stove, the grain should be soft until the bustier in the middle. Because the rest of the rice is cooked on them, when you lay the chicken on rice, sell it with dog around edge to lock in steam, puis on a very low flame. You can tell cooked rice be taking a grain en pressing it with your finger. Rice should break apart piece, but have a texture to it. If it is soft and mush in your finger, you have cooked it to mush. 4. Turn off the heat. Turn off it once your rice cooked half to 3/4 of the way, and let it see. The hot water will cook the rice a little bit more, with to cooking it to mush. 5. Prépare te saron milk. Add d'un 4 tsp saron to 2 tbsp of warm milk and let it soak for approximately 15 minutes. The saron mixture will go on top of the rice when you are preparing to cook the final part of the biryani and it will give a nice flavoring. Prépare te selling dough. Place 2 cups of chapati flour in a bowl and add approximately 3-4 cups of lukewarm water. 6. Stir until the mixture form a soft dough. If the dough is dry and is really mixing well, you can add 2 tablespoons of water. Kniad dough be pushing on it with your knuckle and of your. Make sure your hands are done with water will don't soak dough and stick to your skin. Kniad dough for about 10 minutes to ensure it fully mixed jeté. Preparing te biryani. Place chicken at attic bottom pot. Traditionally, biryani cooked in an Indian cooking pot la biryani handi, but en itik bottom pot will work just fine. 7. A non-stick pot /oblique candy work best. Spread chicken so a piece of chicken it touching at bottom en /oblique or side of the pot. Ti will il pan sur ta a piece of chicken cooked rougli. Spread rice. Tris ta you cooked earlier in or yadi to be added to chicken. Create a layer of rice, adding yabu half of the rice on top of the chicken. With your perforated spoon, pack the rice firmly into the pot. It if some water come along with the rice, it will help thing cook with the steam. On top of the rice, sprinkleon frié oignon approximately 2 tbsp, shredded coriander leaf approximately 1 tbsp, ambient leaf, approximately 8. You can also sprinkle cash or golden raisin, but are optional. Add the next layer of rice. 10 seconds, en finale layer of rice you will be adding to the biryani. Once the rest of the rest is spread evenly, add donc the rest of the brown onion, approximately 1 tbsp, a little bit more coriander leaf, approximately 2 tbsp, mint leaf, 3-5. The saron milk mixture, en approximately 6 tbsp of ghee, 9. En alternative en optional topping y adding some rose water. Just add d'abord 2 à cupful, en sprinkle over the top of the biryani, 10. Put don't po up si de don. Roll the chapati dog un lompis en put dog on the edge of the po up si de don lid, 11. You add the chapati dog to edge of the lid, so when you turn the lid right side up, the dog selt po saute chicken en rice can steam cooked jeté. Press lightly bu firmly to make sur the lid is secure and tight. You can add davet tout lid to en sur tight sealed, but usually if you use the dog, it is sealed good on nug. Cooked biryani. Keep the biryani cooking for about 5-10 on high flame. 10. Take the pot off the flame, puis a cooking plate on the flame, en place the pot back on the flame with the cooking plate. Tit safest method to cook the biryani en make sur the biryani de and burn because of the direct contact with the heat. 12. After about 35 switch off the flame, but don't open the biryani yet. Let the biryani sit for another 10 minutes. Carefully remove the pot. The dog will be a little cooked en hardened, but crack through it, and take off the top to shake the biryani. A lot of steam will come out so be careful not to burn yourself. Slowly stick a large spoon on inside the side of and lift to jet the bottom layer of the rice out. 10. You work your way done, bring up a piece of chicken. The piece of chicken should have a brown coloring. Enjoy. Usually, biryani y attend with your, en is served with reta, a cold, refreshing, yogurt condiment, 13. Tip. If you don't have a lid, use aluminum foil to cover the pot. Cumin seed can be substituted for black cumin, if needed. Warning. Don't overcook the rice. It is easiest part to mess up in making biryani.